Yeah. It's just, it's too funny.
Want to make it in publishing? I am an attractive, intelligent, confident, associate features editor.
Kid just wants to bite his head. Roll over, roll over. Raju. Raju. Ow! That must hurt, Raju. What are you doing, Raju?
We got the name from Social Services. Vicky Hale. She was a volunteer with the health department. And Alan Richardson.
He so doesn't care what the cat does to him.
Before he started living in the tunnel.
Did you say most of the mothership? There's an impression on the leather valve as well. Chief of D's concerned some nuts hunting tunnel rats.
We don't think it's random. Alan might have gotten a straight job and could have something to do with why he was killed.
They don't.
Yeah.
Kane, go get him.
Go get the kitty.
Go kick him.
Get the kitty.
Kick him. Oh, God got him first.
In an effort to remember it.
Looks like a A, a B, and you look inside, and your logo.
No, this guy's never worked for me. You do sell used auto parts. Right.
That's it.
Maybe I'll do some old parts, you know, starter motors, solenoids. I don't buy parts from Corolla. All my suppliers are known for.
You must be partial to the Crown Victoria.
He so doesn't care.
Rather annoying, isn't it?
You seem to be on the driver's side.
Eat him, Kane.
I saw it
I think he just likes it. He just rolls over right for him.
Can you stop cell housings or dashboards for the Crown Vic Island?
That was a nice little roll.
No, see, Kenny. Dashboards, cell housings, and driver's side doors are three places where the game members are staying.
Well, the cat is showing him his dominant.
Because you're selling parts off hot cars.
That's not true. And I believe it.
Happy to oblige, but we'll be seeing you again real soon.
If I was looking to steal you,
Hey, Kane. Kane, come here. Kane. Hey, puppy. Kane.
How did you do that?
Kane, come here. What you doing? Not interested? Come here, Kane.